We're here at Spruce Gulch talking about cheatgrass. Cheatgrass is considered an invasive species, meaning it comes in and pushes out the plants that are there. Cheatgrass, when it became abundant, indeed had lower diversity native plants around it. But now as it's declined, that native biological diversity has returned to some degree. The herbicide the current spraying program wants to use is called invasive. It does seed killing. It kills any germinating seeds in the soil. What's scary about this chemical is it stays in the soil and is active for, we think, about on average 4 years. It will kill any seedling that comes in contact with the chemical, so you end up with a brown patch until the indaziflam dissipates. Our property here is actually on two 1880s homesteads where there was substantial grazing. This meadow was really turned into dust and became almost a cheatgrass monoculture. We set up these plots around us in 2011 and asked how common was cheatgrass relative to everything else. The number we came up with was about 60% of the vegetation was cheatgrass. The surprise was when we let these plots in place and have monitored them now for 15 years, is that cheatgrass has gone from 60% of the vegetation to probably this year we're going to go well under 10%. It did this simply because these perennial plants that are around me are better competitors in this climate environment. It's not adapted for long-term survivorship in our Front Range based upon our observations. The Front Range can cure itself with regard to cheatgrass.